Can I show you something most English learners miss? Do you say I wake in the morning? Natives never say this. Welcome to ClearPath English Podcast. I'm Jessica, and this is your daily English practice. Do you understand English perfectly when you read, but when you speak, the words just disappear? You know what to say, but nothing comes out. I know exactly how that feels. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your morning routine naturally, the way natives actually speak, not textbook English. Stay until the very end, because I'll teach you a phrase natives use every single morning. It's not in any textbook, but everyone says it every day. In the next 15 minutes, you'll learn how to narrate your morning actions, how to connect your sentences naturally, and the native phrase that makes you sound fluent immediately. Before we start, let's learn 3 essential words you'll hear today. Word number 1, alarm. Alarm means the sound that wakes you up. For example, my alarm rings at 7 a.m. Perfect. Next word, stretch. Stretch means you move your arms and body after sleeping. For example, I stretch my arms when I wake up. Excellent. Last word, routine. Routine means the same actions you do every day. For example, my morning routine never changes. Now, before we continue, quick question for you. Do you drink coffee every morning? Pause the video right now and type yes or no in the comments. Thanks. Your comment helps other learners find this video. Let's continue. Now, I'm going to narrate my morning routine exactly as I do it. Listen carefully and imagine yourself doing the same thing. My alarm rings at 7 a.m. The sound is loud and annoying. I open my eyes slowly. The room is still dark. I reach for my phone on the nightstand. I turn off the alarm. Now, that phrase is very useful. Let's practice it together. Repeat after me. I reach for my phone. Excellent. One more time. I reach for my phone. Perfect. Moving on. I sit up in bed. I stretch my arms above my head. It feels good. I yawn. My body is still tired, but I know I need to start my day. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. That sentence is important for daily life. Repeat after me. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. Great. Again. I stand up and walk to the bathroom. Excellent. You're doing great. In the bathroom, I turn on the light. It's very bright. I look at myself in the mirror. My hair is messy. I splash cold water on my face. The water wakes me up. I feel more alert now. This phrase is perfect for describing your morning. Repeat after me. I splash cold water on my face. Nice. One more time. I splash cold water on my face. Perfect. Let's continue. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use mint toothpaste. It tastes fresh and clean. Then I wash my face with soap. I dry my face with a towel. I feel awake now. By the way, remember these are actions you probably do every single day. Now you're learning to say them in English. This is exactly how fluency builds. After the bathroom, I go to my bedroom. I open my closet. I choose my clothes for the day. Today, I pick a blue shirt and black pants. I get dressed quickly. It takes about 5 minutes. This is a super useful phrase. Repeat after me. I get dressed quickly. Good. Again. I get dressed quickly. Excellent work. Next, I walk to the kitchen. I'm hungry now. I open the refrigerator and take out eggs and milk. I'm going to make breakfast. I turn on the stove. I heat a pan. I crack 2 eggs into the pan. They sizzle and cook. Let me add one more practice here. Repeat after me. I turn on the stove. Great. One more time. I turn on the stove. Perfect. While the eggs are cooking, I pour a glass of orange juice. I take my vitamins. The eggs are ready. I put them on a plate. I sit down at the table. I eat my breakfast slowly. It tastes delicious. Now, let's talk about something very important. How natives connect words. This is the secret to sounding natural instead of robotic. Listen to this sentence. I get up at 7. Natives don't say, I get up at 7. They connect it. I get up at 7. The T and U blend together. Get up. Listen again slowly. I get up at 7. Now at natural speed. I get up at 7. Your turn. Slow first. Good. Now faster, more natural. Perfect. You are sounding more like a native already. Another example. I turn on the stove. Natives say, I turn on the stove. The N and O connect. Turn on. Your turn. Slow version. Great. Now, natural speed. Excellent. That is how you sound natural. One more. I walk to the kitchen. Natives say, I walk to the kitchen. The K and T blend. Walk to. Try it slowly. Perfect. Now faster. Beautiful. You are getting it. Let's do a quick check. I will ask 3 simple questions about today's lesson. What time does my alarm ring? The answer is 7 a.m. Did you get it? Excellent. How do I feel when I first wake up? The answer is tired. Great job. What do I do with cold water? The answer is splash it on my face. Perfect. You were paying attention. Before we finish, I want to show you something important. There is a pattern we used many times today. Let me highlight it for you. Notice we kept using this structure. First, I do something. Then, I do something. After that, I do something. We used this pattern 8 times in today's story. Now you can use the exact same pattern to describe your morning routine, your cooking process, how you prepare for work, any sequence of actions. Here is the beautiful part. You don't need to memorize grammar rules. Just copy the pattern and fill in your words. This is exactly how native speakers learned grammar as children, through patterns, not textbooks. Excellent work today. You stayed focused for the whole time. That takes real dedication. Let's review what we learned. You can now describe your morning routine naturally. You learned how to connect words, like natives do. And you discovered the pattern for describing any sequence of actions. Remember at the very beginning, I promised to teach you a phrase natives always use every morning. Here it is. The phrase is, hit the snooze button. This means you press the button to sleep 5 more minutes. For example, I always hit the snooze button 3 times before I actually get up. Try using it today. When your alarm rings tomorrow, you can say, I hit the snooze button. You will sound more natural immediately. I know some of these connected speech patterns were challenging. That is actually a good sign. When something feels difficult, it means your brain is building new connections. You are literally growing new pathways in your mind. This is exactly how you get better. One challenging lesson at a time. Thank you for practicing with me today. I am genuinely proud of you for investing this time in your English. Your homework: choose one phrase from today and use it in a real conversation this week. Or even just say it out loud to yourself 3 times. That is all. Just one phrase 3 times. Quick tip: I packed a lot into this lesson. Tomorrow, watch this episode again, but focus only on pronunciation. You will catch details you missed today. That is exactly how fluency builds. Layer by layer, viewing by viewing. If this lesson helped you today, please tap the like button. It really helps other English learners find these lessons. And subscribe to ClearPath English Podcast. We post new lessons every single day. Tomorrow's episode, Eating Breakfast in Slow English. You will learn the phrase natives use when food tastes amazing. It is one word everyone says, but textbooks never teach. You definitely don't want to miss it. Keep practicing. Keep improving. Keep taking the clear path to fluency. This is ClearPath English Podcast. I will see you in the next lesson.